work in progress. Ah. Removing the stuff on the top so I can vacuum it and clean it up. Still need to tackle this area and then clean off the buildings and trees to de-dust them before putting them back on the layout. As well as the vehicles and stuff. Yeah, I know this is this is crude, but hey, this is what I got to work with, you know? So yeah. Not the best place for a layout, I admit, but it's what you got, you know? Well, in my case, that's what I have works up, but yeah. I'm thankful for it. Yeah, I gotta clean the floors, and I gotta do a lot of cleaning in here. Woo! But yeah, I just want to get some, progress update videos for y'all. I really want to get this up back and running again. I'm sure it'll all work. It just needs to be dusted off, cleaned off. Y'all know how layouts are. Yeah. Remember, no smoking unless you're a locomotive. Actually made that out of soda cans and computer paper. But yeah, I need to de-dust buildings, accessories, and stuff. But yeah, I've been busting my butt, vacuuming and whatnot. I'm sure you can tell the difference from the previous video. Yeah, now to get back to it. I'll keep y'all updated. Oh, what have you